Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll share to upload a video in Capcut inside your PC or laptop. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your Capcut application on your PC or laptop. Like so. Let's get out of this project. Alright, now you'll come to this page of Capcut, and to upload a video, click on new project, and then from here you got an import button, so you want to click onto that. That's going to import a video, so I want to import this random video here, and then from here drag this down to the bottom, and if you press play, there's your video there uploaded. So that's how simple it is, guys, how to upload a video in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video was helpful.